trying to fix these trailer lights, and you know what? The quality of them is so bad. I've got them going, but look at that dish, it's barely touching. There's nothing stopping that going crooked there. There's nothing stopping that fan to the one side and that contact missing. There's nothing at all to stop that happening. It's nothing faulty, it's just the light's badly made. I've cleaned it all down, things is going, but I thought maybe when you put the lens back on that would tighten things up, but the lens is not even touching that. The bulb's not even in the centre, like. Both sides are the same. And maybe if it was brand new, maybe it would have been held better, but things have wore, I don't know. It just seems badly made. The centre, that bit of the bulb is actually going past the centre bit. There's nothing more I can do now. I've noticed the lens is missing here as well, like. Not that the two of them going on away. Bad earth on them. Corrosion. The earths are the worst corroded, and one wire out in the tail bar. There, look, there's a plastic bracket there to stop it moving, so it's been broke off that all light. That wee plastic bracket's missing. So if I just missing, might get the glue gun, put some glue in there, stop that moving. Need to put something in there, hardener or something to stop that moving, and make sure them bulbs stay connected. I think I got to fix this bit of foam came off a new set of curtain poles. That's the wee bit of foam. You know, you get the packaging for curtain poles, you get ones in the middle with holes in them and ones at the end. I've cut it, wedged it in there. That's a tight fit there now. So I reckon now that's how fixed, but turn on the lights because now it won't move out of position. And that should be a good job. Wouldn't do any harm, put a wee bit of foam in there too, you know. That wee gap. I'll put a wee bit of foam in there. Put a wee bit of foam in there now, that'll stop that moving off. This is going to be better than it was when it was brand new. So there's no way that can move there now. Everything else solid. See what it's like now, I'm going to turn it on. That side of the thing's alright there. I'll put a wee bit of foam in there as well. See what that wants to go off the one side. I'll put a wee tiny bit of foam in there.